feel free, no longer alone. A bright light is shining and shows me a world that I own. I can see my way through. I know I will walk beside you. All those prayers of mine weren't in vain. I'm born again. I'm born again. I feel free. There's a quite different me. No longer I'm tossed like a ship on an unruly sea. I've been blessed with a love that's meant for the rest of my time. All those prayers, they were not in vain. I'm born again.
Since love touched my heart right, my life has a meaning.
I feel I'm no longer drifting in space.
I believe once again that there is a tomorrow.
A brand new tomorrow. I know I can